What's up, drum fam? Welcome back. Today's video is really simple. It's really easy. It's about how to practice effectively with and without a drum set. Now, many of you have told me that you struggle with finding routines and what you should do before you practice. And the truth is, you can do a lot of things to practice drums, but it's always hard to know where to start. So I'm just gonna give you 5 things you can do to start your drum practice or your warm-up or whatever you wanna call it. Number 1, the first thing that you should do is stretch. Stretching before you play is extremely important because you don't want your muscles to hurt. And plus, it's like a nice little warm-up for you. So here's some of the warm-ups that I do and stretches before I start playing. Yeah, this one right here. Basically grabbing the fingers and pushing it down. This one right here is real good. Stretches your muscles real good. That one feels great. I feel my fingers stretching right now. You wanna do some shoulder stretches like this. Yep. I also like to do this one thing that my teacher taught me many, many years ago. It's with the drumsticks. You basically grab your left hand, you put it in here, and then you grab your right hand, you put it on top, and then you go under, and then you just stretch those muscles for that forearm. Feels amazing. Number 2, the second thing that I like to do is that I grab my sticks and I like kind of like throwing them around my fingers and stuff like that, just to get my fingers kind of warmed up as much as I can. So that way, the fingers have muscles, so it's important for your muscles and your fingers to stretch. So I like doing that. I also like doing this little exercise, basically grabbing the tip of it, of the bottom of the stick, and just like kind of lifting weights with your drumsticks. It hurts sometimes. Do this for a couple minutes. But yeah, just twirling around your sticks, just throwing them around, just getting those hands in motion so that way your fingers can like get used to, getting ready to play. Number 3, the third thing that I like to do is I grab a practice pad and I just like playing single, doubles, and triplets on it for maybe 5 minutes each. So I just sit down and I just start playing single, doubles, and triplets. It's super easy. It's a good warm up. I try not to play faster or slower. I just kind of try to keep it as consistent as I can. Number 4, the fourth thing that I really like to do is that I like to play along to a song with my practice pad. So I just grab a random song, whichever song it is, it doesn't matter which one it is, it could be your favorite song, and I just play along to it. And I just practice the rhythms that the song has, and I do the drum fills. That's what's so great about a practice pad is because you can do everything on the practice pad. Doesn't even matter what it is. You can practice everything on this thing. So the 5th thing that I like to do before I play drums or to warm up or whatever is that I like to do like these air drum things. I like to practice my rudiments without a practice pad just so I can control my hands and my fingers. It's a really weird exercise, but I've been doing this for years and it really helps me with the development of my technique. So I just grab my sticks and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I try to do the doubles. And then my triplets, triplet, 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 triplet. You can do paradiddles, flams, flam taps, flams. There you go. Those are the flams. It doesn't really matter what everybody else does, is what works best for you, but those are just my things that I do to warm up. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember that those are the 5 things that I like to do to warm up, that help me every day to warm up before I play in any concert, in any setting. So if you have any questions, just shoot me a message, leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, help the channel out. Just be a part of the channel. I love all of you guys. Just remember that this is a community for you guys. So I'm making all of these videos for you, just because of you. I don't care if I get 1,000 views or 1,000,000 views. This is just for people who need the help and they are looking for somebody to help them along their drumming journey. All right, love y'all. Peace.